Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today I'm continuing on down the road with another box opening. Before we get to that, we'll do a quick wrist check and you'll see that I am wearing my Dreyfus & Co. 1953. This was a Watch Gang Platinum watch a few years back and I really dig the look of this one. Just nice, simple, and clean. Also guys, if you're looking to save a little bit of money on watches, I've got discount codes and promo codes for Spinnaker, Aviate, and Ballast in the notes below. And if you're looking to sign up for Watch Gang, I also have a link you can click below. Now, what we're going to open up today is actually I'm guessing this is for real the last subscription pen from Whatapen. Now, this won't be the last pen I buy from Randall over at Whatapen, but it is going to be the last of the subscription, I believe. Now, just due to rising cost, Randall wasn't able to keep the subscription at a price point that he really liked, and so he decided to end the subscription, and maybe someday we will get back to it. So at the subscription for Whatapen, it was $45 a month, and I have enjoyed every pen I've got. So let's see, we've got the smell of aromatic red cedar brings back memories. Enjoy this 2mm lead click pencil. Oh, so we've got a little bit something different from Whatapen. Now, if you're not familiar with him, make sure you click the links below. Follow him along on Facebook or Instagram, because you'll get a chance to see what he's working on. I honestly couldn't even tell you how many pens I have from Whatapen at this point, but it is always that nice personal touch from Randall over there. Now, if I could find where to open said pencil, which is something a little bit different, that's for sure. Let's take a look at what we've got for this month. There we go. Taking me a little bit longer to open than I'd like. All right. Oh, that's cool. Wow. That is super cool. I love the hardware on this because it absolutely reminds me of an old school pencil. Now, if my camera wants to focus, okay. So it is a push top to get the lead out. That is freaking awesome. The hardware on this pencil is so cool. And I really like the wood on this one. I mean, it's funny because even the end almost looks like a pencil shaving the way it would have gone. I mean, come on. Y'all remember back in the day going to the pencil sharpener in the classroom? That's how you showed off all your new clothes and kicks and got to check out what was going on in the rest of the room. Had to sneak over to the pencil sharpener. That is so cool. Pretty smooth action on popping the lead out. That is a pretty fat piece of lead there. And you can see writing with a pencil doesn't make my writing any better, but writes nice. Got a little eraser action. Man, that is cool. I am definitely digging this one. And if my camera would focus, get a little bit better look. The wood on this one is so cool. The hardware he chose, really cool. Let me know what you guys think of this one in the comments below. And as always, guys, thanks for watching.